Hey guys, welcome back to the Tsonga Tribe channel. Today I will be showing you one of the Tsonga fruits that is Tinchiri. We call it Tinchiri. It's a Tsonga fruit and a Tsonga herb. It's a little bit sour and a little bit sweet. Like it's a combination of sour and sweetness. It's so nice. We get this fruit in our bushes during the summer season. Now that is November, like it's so plenty in the bush. It's orangish in color, and when it's still raw, it's green in color. We have those trees in the bushes. Like normally it doesn't want too much rain, because when it gets too much rain it also gets rotten sometimes. So like it likes to grow in the bushes during the summer season. Back in those days, those who were doing farming in those bushes, or those who had farms, like they were entertaining themselves by eating those things, those fruits, while they were planting. And some, when we're heading cows and heading goats, busy working in the bushes, they would pick them and then enjoy them. Like back in the days, it was a well-known food for the farmers, and then they had boys and they had guys who were heading cows, goats and stuff, and those also that were hunting, they were also eating them. So these days it's no longer being eaten, so you will find them in the bushes. Like there's so plenty in the bushes, like no one picks them or unplugs them, unlike back in those days, because they were always eaten. So now I'll be showing you how they look when they are raw and how they look when they are well done. Yeah, and even when they are still in the trees. Thank you guys for watching.